One of the challenges iPhone and Kali Linux users have is when it comes to files transfer. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to transfer files, all right, from your iPhone to your Kali Linux machine through OneDrive, no matter the size of the file. Okay, watch me. Let me walk you through on how you can do that. All right, the first step you need to take is to install OneDrive on your iPhone. So let's go to App Store. So I'll tap on it. As the App Store opens, tap in the search and type OneDrive. Okay, it is a cloud storage service developed by Microsoft. So tap on search. You can see it has shown up and it indicates that I have installed it. If you don't have it already, tap on get button and wait for it to be downloaded and installed in your iPhone, which after that tap on open. Once you're on this page, tap on create new account, follow the on-screen guide and create an account on OneDrive. Okay, but I have an existing account on OneDrive, so I will tap on sign in and sign in with my email address and password. So I will tap here where you have email or phone and type in my email address. Alright, once you finish typing your email address, tap the arrow that points towards the right. And here it says we will send a code to this to sign in, to sign you in. So I will tap on send code. You may be provided with another option to sign in, okay? Another option you can take, but here they have the option to send code or use password instead. But okay, let's go with use your password instead. So I will tap there and then I will type in my password here. Then I've typed in my password. I will tap on sign in. And here it says sign in faster with your face, fingerprint or pin. I don't need that for now, so skip for now. Alright, I'm taken to my OneDrive account and I'm landed on the gallery section. Okay, so which is cool. And here it wants me to upload photos on or access the photos I have already on the account. That's why it opens in gallery. But I want to go with the files option. Okay, so I will tap on files. Okay, you can see you have photos, you have files. So tap on files. Once you're taken to this page, tap on my files, okay, which is one of the options there. Then this lists all the folders you have as well as some files. Okay, so I want to upload first videos and pictures on this OneDrive account. So for you to do that, tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. Then you are provided with some options. Select upload. Then what you want to upload, is it photos and videos or you want to upload files? First, let's go with photos and videos. So I will tap on photos and videos option. This will automatically open the gallery photos app of your iPhone. So start tapping on the files you want to upload. So I have video here, so I will tap on video first. Then I have photo here, I will tap on photo. All right, so if you want to upload more, so keep on tapping on them. All right, on the assumption that I want to go with photos and videos in this case, I will tap on the tick sign which is at the top right. So wait for the file to be uploaded. Okay, all right, the photo and the videos have been uploaded. Okay, whatever situation you want to upload, maybe files like Word document, PDF, how do you go about that? Tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. Then you are provided with some options. Tap on upload. It will open a location in the files app of your iPhone. So now the job is to get to where that file you want to upload on this OneDrive, which you want to share to Kali Linux is. So I'll tap on this arrow that points this way and I will be on my iPhone location. All right, so let's say I want to upload Word document. First I will tap inside this search and then I will type .docx, all right, for it to filter down documents that are in this location. Okay, so let's say this is what I need, this access ch1. I will tap on it and it's going to be uploaded. All right, and the file is uploaded. Access ch1 is here. So now let's say I want to upload documents because I need that same document as well in my Kali Linux, okay, PC. Then I'll tap on the plus sign and I will select this upload option and I will select browse. All right, this will still open a folder. So I'll tap this arrow that points here until I get to this section. Okay, in this case, let's upload PDF files. So I will type inside search and then I will type dot PDF so that every PDF file here will be shown. All right, so it filters down all the PDF files that are available on this my iPhone. Then I will tap on this one that has the name banks state PDF. All right, so that's bank statement. I will tap on it and it's going to be uploaded on this OneDrive account. And this file, the PDF file, has now been uploaded on this OneDrive account. Now let's get to the Kali Linux PC to see how we can download this into our computer. All right, I am on my Kali Linux. Okay, so get my PC connected to the internet, which after that you click on Firefox, which is the default browser that comes with Kali Linux. Okay, once it opens, click inside the search area and type onedrive.com. Press the enter key of your computer keyboard for it to load. Alright, once the website loads, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. The next step is to either click on this sign in here or click on this sign in here. So anyone you click on will take you to a page for you to sign into your OneDrive account. So let's go with this. Alright, I'm taking to this page. So fill in that your email address and click on next. I'm done filling that, I'll click on next. Okay, you'll be taken to this new page. You can go with option to send code, which we saw when we were trying to sign in with our mobile, or you can use the option to use password. Okay, let me send code in this case. So I'll click on this. All right, the code has been sent into my mobile. That is where I'm logged into this Gmail account. So I will type it in. Okay, so immediately you type it in, it will load to confirm it. And it's confirmed. It say we are updating our terms and condition. I will click on next. No problem. Keep updating. So it says here skip to sign in every time. Okay. I'm just doing this for this tutorial. I will say no. So let's continue. All right. Say new. A dedicated place. Okay. It has gone out. All right, so here it shows me this interface, say import cloud photos and files. I don't want to do that for now, so I'll click on this close icon for it to close. All right, so I'm signed in here fully and I'm on my home tab. So click on my files. So this displays all the files and the folders you created on this OneDrive account. And let's take a look. This is what I uploaded through my iPhone and this and this and this. So we're going to select them and download it into this my Kali Linux PC. So I'll click on this first for it to be selected. Take your cursor to the second one, click. Take your cursor to the third one, click. Take your cursor to the fourth one, click on this checkbox. You can see all these files are now selected. So once they are selected, take a look at the top part. You will see this download icon. All right, this download, click on it. So just give it time for the files to be downloaded into your PC. All right. So they're going to be downloaded as zip file. You can see that. Is this the progress? But if you are downloading them individually, maybe you select this one and download, they will be downloaded as individual files. Just like this one will be downloaded as JPG. But because we selected more than one and we are downloading them at once, that's why they're being downloaded as zip file. Okay. All right, all these files have been downloaded into my PC. So let's go and take a look. So take your cursor to this place, okay, where you have Kali Home. That's Home Kali. Click there and select Open Folder. So a folder in your PC will be open. Then click on this downloads, okay, folder. That's where the files are being saved. So click there and you can see the file here. So, but we need to extract this file to have, a good look at them individually. So click on this and right click. Then you will see some options. It says extract with so and so, and you have open with this and so many other options. or extract to. So let's go with this extract to, okay, or extract here. Select the options to extract here. All right, so click that and wait. You can see they have been unzipped now. So if I double click here, I will see all the individual files. So from there, you can start making use of your file. It's as simple as that, okay? I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. So do that, please, so that they can recommend it to more people so that people can still learn. Thank you and see you some other time.